Hello guys, welcome to the Tech Tips Zone channel. In this video, I will discuss all the latest improvements in Microsoft PC Manager version 3.8.20 beta. This app is Microsoft's answer to third-party cleaner apps that it wholeheartedly rejects and avoid all users from using it on their PCs. So you now have an official app from Microsoft for almost 11 months now, and now this new version has arrived with improved animation, support for system background and themes. So you can see that since I'm running the dark theme, it automatically adjusts to that. You can also change it to light theme or configure it manually. The home page houses the boost section, and after that you can check your PC health using the health check. Next up is the process management, where you can end any running process without opening the task manager. Just find it and click on the end option. Click on end once again and you will be able to close processes from within this Microsoft PC Manager app. Next in the home section is this deep cleanup section. So all the cache files, update files, delivery optimization files, and even the recycle bin and web cache can be deleted from this single section without the need of individually deleting items from folders. You can also adjust the startup apps. You can see that I've turned off all the apps, but you can enable or disable the startup apps. There's also a recommended section which I intend to avoid because it is Microsoft suggesting Microsoft apps. This protection tab comes with a direct link to the Windows security app. When you click on it, you are redirected to the settings security app. You can check from Windows updates from here, but the most new addition that I see is restoring default apps and this taskbar repair option. If you make changes to your taskbar, you can revert all of them in one go when you click on this repair option. So you can revert to the original taskbar settings on your Windows 11 devices. You can also restore default apps, and you can see that it is always suggesting to use the Edge browser for most of the things, but I will avoid this because I use Chrome on my PC. The storage section has a new improvement in finding large files. Just click on it and select the drive you want to identify large files from, and it will start scanning for files. Most of the files you can see are the Hibernate file and the page.sys file, but you can scan them and you can even select them, open their location, and also you can sort them by the categories. Now it is showing all files, but you can pick a size and force it to display only audio files or video files or whatever kind of file you intend to find. You can also delete files from here, and it offers permanent deletion option as well. So all you need to do is just click on the check mark option, and then you can either go to the open folder, move the file, or even delete the file. So a handy file explorer app, I would say. Otherwise we had to use other file explorers like TreeView to check the actual file size. Storage Sense is embedded into the settings app, so we won't discuss it. This is the app section where you can end processes, manage startup apps, and these are the direct links to open the storage area and Microsoft Store app. When you click on it, the Store app opens. So essentially Microsoft is trying to create a single app to do all the useful stuff. This is the new Toolbox section. When you enable this show toolbar, a floating toolbar appears with some of the useful elements, like you can boost your PC and clear the memory using the first icon, and you can arrange it to the sidebar or the top bar. Just click on the icon and it will boost your PC without requiring you to open the Microsoft PC Manager app. Think of it like a floating widget. Next up, it has a screenshot option, so it will, when you click on it, it will open the sniping tool. Similarly, all the other icons open a Microsoft default app, and you can even search from here. Just type anything and it will open the search result in the Edge browser. You can also add tools to this floating window. So this is the default list of 6 tools, but you can add more tools as they are mentioned here. The list includes a couple of useful apps like calculator, recorder, and you can also turn on captions. To remove a tool, you have to click on the minus icon and that tool will be removed from the PC. So this is Microsoft attempts at PC Manager in improving its user interface and bringing it in line with the modern Windows 11 23H2 design. I like the idea of this app because you can do many things without opening any setting app and diving deep into control panel or the settings app to find a simple thing. In the settings, you can see that there is a smart boost option that it will automatically boost up your PC when there is high RAM usage, and there are some shortcuts as well. So this was a quick overview of the new Microsoft PC Manager beta app that you can try on your Windows 11 devices. Make sure to like and share this video with other Windows users. You can also subscribe to the Tech Tips Zone channel for more such content on Windows apps, Windows Insider, and upcoming Windows builds.